Guys, you want more of this and less of this? Do this routine with me right now. My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is Yoga for Men Deep Stretch. Riddle me this. What is your go-to workout song right now? Let us know below. I'll let you know mine at the end of this workout. All body weight modify as needed. Always use control. Open everything up. Let's begin with child's pose pullbacks. Take your hands to the left corner of the mat and exhale, pull it back. This might be a little bit too much right away. Is that too much? Oh, stretch your spine, open up your back. One more breath. Tops of the feet are down, knees are down. Now switch to the other side. Right hand down, place the left hand on top and pull slowly. Oh, decompress your spine immediately. In the morning, first thing in the morning. Open up those tight muscles. That's so good. Let's do it one more time on each side. Ready? Take the hand further forward if you like and pull. You can sway it back and forth also, getting that into the, right here in the lats, into the sides. Oh. And other side. Forward. Exhale as you pull back. Is that a tank? Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh. One more breath. Oh, feels fantastic. Hands under the shoulders. Rock it back. And then inhale forward, modified plank. Let's loosen up the shoulders. Back and forth. Things in my mouth, that's okay. I'm filming at Vets Park. A lot of bugs. There might be spitting. Elbows in. Stretch it back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. All right, one more time. Forward, now lower down. Hands are on the shoulders, cobra, or press up into up dog. Drop the shoulder back. Look off. There's a cavitation right there. Other side. All these random cars around here. And look off the shoulder. Little bit of a rotation here. Extend the legs back further. You can lift this knee off the mat. See how the body starts to go along with it. And one more time each side. Oh, that's nice. Now, child's pose, place your elbows down, take your knees wider, bend the arms. So think of sinking your chest and your armpits down into the mat. You could sway it back and forth also. Stretching your triceps, your shoulders. One more breath. Excellent. Hands down, downward facing dog. Come on up, shake out the legs, walk the legs. I wear pants, but I don't like when it comes down on my ankles. Oh, it just bugs me. I should only get capris. Stretch it out, walk it out. Blood to the brain, lots of breathing, deep breaths. All right, you ready for something exciting? What? Okay, good. What'd you say? Huh? What'd that person say? Okay, bring that right foot forward. We have a lunge. You could drop the knee or extend that back leg. We're gonna reach it up into a twist. Beautiful lunge twist. Now, extend this leg right here. I've been teaching this one a lot. It's really going to get your calf, your hamstring, and your IT band. This arm can go up. This is actually a variation on reverse triangle. Then we come back down. Bring it down, bring the arm up, and stretch it. You could also extend forward right here. Ooh, big stretch. One more time. Down, lift, extend. You can practice this as much as you like. It's all yours. Okay, step it back, downward facing dog. We still here, walk it out. Loose, loose. Left foot forward. Lunge with a twist. And if you like, from here, extend this leg as much as you can, comfortably, and reach. Oh, this is the end result right here. Practice, practice. Again, down. And reach. And down. Twist. Extend. Oh, right here. Rock it if you like. Hands down. Step back. Down dog. Bend the knees. Bend the knees. Bring it forward. Plank position. And then lower down. Elbows into the sides. Hands out. Bend the right leg. Press back. Scorpion. Big twist right here. Gonna add something really special on here. Watch this. So we're twisting. We have our left arm stretching the shoulder, the chest, the breath, everything together. And now take this right leg, bring it out to the side. This is a fantastic stretch right here. If you want more, press up. And we activate the back, the shoulders. Drop the shoulders down. You can extend this right leg out more if you like. Open it up. If you want to do those little looks off the shoulders, little Jack Reacher look, like what's going on over there? What's going on over there? What's going on over there? Okay, do that. Just great. Now take the leg back. Take the arms out again. Bend your left leg. Press it over. And we have scorpion. How do you feel? Feel good? Excellent. Now your left leg out to the side, hold, or press up. That's your choice, my friends. We always have options. We lift up. You want, you could also bend that back leg. That's gonna stretch your quad and your hip flexor. And we move side to side. The bug spray is working, isn't it? Oh, that's good. Step it back. Down dog. Bend the knees. Now round your back. Called a ripple. Rounding the whole spine. Hands under the shoulders. Ripple, ripple, ripple. Drop the hips down. And open up into up dog or cobra. That's your choice. Tuck the toes, take it back, down dog, stretch it out. Let's do one more thing, Like Columbo. Yeah, one more thing. All right, coming into side lunge. You could bring this knee down if you want. Let me fix my blouse. There we are. Or knee off the mat, we're open right here. Fingers down. Or if you want to work the balance, you take the hands together. You can also take the arms up over the head into cactus arms. I'm going to stare at this blade of grass right here. Shoulders sliding down the back. What's that guy look like? There we are. So balance. The core is engaged. If it's not, you'll fall down. You want to add on? Take this hand down or the forearm and we reach the left arm up. To make it active. We have a big twist here. Oh, in the side lunge. So exhale down, inhale, lift. Can you dig that? Exhale down, inhale, lift. Oh, such great rotational movement, opening up your back. Now switch to the other side. We have side lunge. The sun has come out. Love it. Stay here, here, or arms up, or the cactus arms. Take 3 breaths. What am I doing there? Get that balance first thing in the morning. Shoulders back and down, chest is open. And then add the twist if you like. 5 times. Go with the breath. Exhale down, inhale up. Got the sun behind me a little bit, little different lighting in our workout today. so nice. Garland pose. You can keep it up here if you want, or sink down, hands together, shoulders back, options. Drop the knees down. You can hold, you can have the hands down, but let your tailbone go down towards the mat, down, down, down. Use the elbows to pry open the hips. Releases your back, stretches your glutes. Great for alignment. All right. Old Vets Park, my friends. A lot of memories here. School memories, filming, family stuff. Anything in Wisconsin, I always get so emotional. Can you see it? 2 more breaths. All right, shake out the legs, shake out the arms. Excellent work, morning yoga for men. Great job. If this helped, click that like button, click that subscribe button, and always click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. What is your go-to song right now? Let us know in the comments below. For me, it's a song called Goodnight LA by a group called Strange Ways. Found them on YouTube. I've been playing it over and over. I woke up this morning with it in my head. I had it in my head while I'm filming this video. And you know, I grew up in Southern California. I grew up in LA County, in Manhattan Beach. So it's bringing back all these memories of the summers I would spend out there in Manhattan, in Hermosa, Redondo, Torrance, Lawndale, Huntington Beach, Newport, all these places, beautiful places. So that's what I'm listening to right now. I'm gonna put it on in the car once I get away from all these gnats. God bless you, my friends. Always a pleasure. We'll see you next time. And as always, remember, my friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.